This video tutorial I will explain how to create the user and add a root role in MongoDB. This is how we can create a user in Mongo database. db.createUser. Username is Peter, password is password, and for this Peter user I am assigning role as root and database is admin. For the user Peter, we have assigned the role as root, and root user will have administrative privileges to all databases in MongoDB and read-write permission to all the databases. And DB parameter we have specified as admin database. And admin database is a special metadatabase within MongoDB, and it holds the information for this Peter user. Next, we will create the user. For that, start the MongoDB server without authentication, and server is started. Next, open the Mongo client and current database is test. Switch to admin database. Check any users are there using get users command. Currently no users are there. db.createUser. Username is Peter, password is password, role is root, and db parameter is admin. And click on enter, and here you can see user is successfully created, and username is Peter, and role is root, and db parameter is admin. Next, using db.getUsers, we will check, and here you can see one user is there. User is Peter, db is admin, and role is root. Next, we will shut down this MongoDB server. Now we will start the MongoDB server with authentication enabled. mongod.exe --auth. And here you can see in options, security and authorization is enabled. Close this client. Open the Mongo client. Current DB is test. Switch to admin DB. Now try db.getUsers. And it is saying there are no users authenticated. Meaning to execute any command, we have to authenticate first, providing username and password. We will see how to do that. To authenticate, we have to do like this: db.auth, and username is Peter, and password is password. Enter, and it is successfully authenticated, so that we got 1. Now execute db.getUsers command, and we got the output. Here I have provided wrong username and password, and I got authentication failed. I will give some other user, say Peter89, and I got authentication failed and 0. And if I provide a proper username and password, then only I will get 1. And this time authentication is passed. Now I have opened Studio 3T MongoDB client. Click on connect, create new connection. Connection name give us localhost. and MongoDB server is enabled with authentication, and here select authentication, select legacy, and here we have to provide username and password. Username Peter, and password I will give some wrong password, say 123, and DB parameter is admin. Click on test connection, and it is failed. Now I will provide correct password. Click on test connection, and this time it is connected. Click on OK, save, click on connect, and it is connected, and you can see the databases. We have logged in using user Peter, and Peter role is root. If the user has root role, then user has administrative privileges and also read-write permission to all the databases. So that is the reason you can see the collection details of employee DB and collection details of book DB, because he has read and write permission. Click on employee, the user can read the records, and also if user wants to modify the record, that also he can do. Like select the record, click on edit, modify the record, click on update. So the user has root role, so he can perform read operation as well as write operation. And also the user can perform administrative operation, like adding another user, or deleting some user, and adding roles to the user. All those things the user can perform if the user has root role. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.